Stan Gibilisco here with a little take on the issue of climate change. If you'll go to the AccuWeather website, accuweather.com, ACCU weather.com, all lowercase, all one word, easy enough to do, you can get a pretty good radar image. You can also get a lot of really interesting videos that they present along with their general forecast, which seems to change from minute to minute to minute to second to microsecond to nanosecond. But they seem to be sort of a climate change propaganda site, which can be good and bad. But one thing I'm gathering out of all of this climate change business, besides the fact that AccuWeather seems to regard climate change almost as a religion, is that, number one, it is real, and number two, perhaps its most significant effect is an increase in variability of the weather patterns that we can expect from season to season. We may get a very hot summer one year and a very cool summer the next. It's always happened like that, and particularly in the black holes of Dakota Territory. Fires in the forests are as old as the holes themselves. And so are downpours, hailstorms, and all kinds of things like that. But we've had a couple of cool, wet summers. And I remember one very hot, dry summer we had here. But I think that one of the main aspects of climate change that we need to be aware of, from what I can gather, and this is just my humble opinion, is that we can expect an increase in the variability of the seasons that we get. Severer than severe winters used to be, and milder than mild winters used to be. Hotter and drier, cooler and wetter summers than we used to remember. Now, what the cause of it is and all that is not what I'm going to concern myself with at the moment. Whether we can do anything about it or not is also what I'm not going to concern myself with at the moment, or you. But I think that we should be prepared for an increase in the variability of the weather that we get. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.